Hello Primary 3, hope you are fine. Today our lesson is about multiplication. Okay, let's remember what does it mean multiplication and how can we use the multiply sign in different ways. Okay, look at these apples. Okay, I've got 6 apples. They are distributed in equal groups. Okay, remember, each group has the same number of apples. How many groups do we have? I've got 3. Okay, each group has got what? I've got 2. 2 in each group. Okay? So, in each group must have equal amount of elements or amount of apples. Each group has 2. So, I need to know how many apples in all. Okay. We can use skip counting by 2's. Okay. 2, 4, 6 as well. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 to know how many in all. Or we can say I've got 3 groups, 3 equal groups of 2 means 2 elements. So it equals what? 6. Okay, let's solve this exercise. Okay, how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, each group has got 3. Each group has got what? 3 elements or 3 dots. So I name this group 5 equal groups of 3. So it's 5 equal groups of 3. I can match. Okay, let's see here. How many groups have we got? We have 2 groups. Each group contains 4 triangles. Okay, so how do we call these groups? Mention how many groups? I've got 2. So 2 equal groups of 4. 2 equals group of 4. So this is the answer. Again, let's count. How many groups in all do we have here? I've got 3 groups. 3 equal groups. Each group contains 5. Okay, so I will answer. This is 3 equal groups of 5. 3 equal groups of 5. So I will match this. Again, let's count how many groups here. I've got 4 equal groups of 2. So 4 equal groups of 2. Okay, let's solve some exercise about this. Look at this picture. What do we have here? Some socks. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many equal groups? I've got 5 groups, so I will write 5. Of what? How many elements or how many socks inside each group? I've got 2. 2 in each group. So it's 5 groups of 2. Okay? Again, let's change the color. I need to make the addition sentence. I said before, 2, and this is 2, again 2, 2, 2 in each group. How many? How many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to know the total amount. So I'm using what? The addition sentence. Okay? Repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what? 10, sorry. So I will write, let's write here the addition sentence. It's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Sorry, plus 2. Okay. This is the addition sentence. Okay, I need to know the multiply sentence. Okay, what does it mean multiply sentence? Okay, This is called the multiply sign. Okay, or the times. I said the times. Times or multiply by or by. Okay? Okay. Let's see here. What does it mean word of means multiply? I mentioned first the number of groups. This is 5. Times what? Times 2. So, I mean that number 2 is repeated 5 times. So, 2 is repeated 5 times. So, to get the answer, they are all equals 10. Okay? Let's see the next one. How many groups do we have? I've got 1, 2. Groups of crayons, okay? Colors, okay? How many in each group? I've got 4 crayons in each group. Okay. How many groups? Or how many circles? I've got 2. Each group has got what? 4 crayons. So it's 2 groups of 4. I need to know the addition sentence. What do we have here? 4 plus 4. So this is 4 plus 4. What does it equals? Equals 8. Okay, to know the multiply sentence, I put the sign first. How many groups? Remember, word of means what? Multiply. So 2 times 4 or 2 by 4. Okay? Means what? 4 is repeated 2 times. So I call this sign times because 4 is repeated 2 times. And here 2 is repeated 5 times. Okay, look at the next exercise. I have some equal groups. Then he needs me to write the sentence and the addition and the multiply sentence. Okay, look here. How many groups do we have? I've got 2 groups. Each group has got how many elements or how many apples? I've got 2. So 2 groups of 2. In order to write the addition sentence, we must write how many 2 do we have? I've got 2. 2 plus 2. So I will write 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. What does it equal? Equals 4. Okay. I need to put the multiply sentence. Okay. Look here. Okay, 2 groups of 2. What does it mean? Words of means what? Multiply. So it's 2 times 2. Simply, يعني. Okay, طيب. If we have, I need to make another one. Okay. Look at the addition sentence. How many 2's do we have? I've got 2. And the number is 2, so 2 is repeated 2 times. So I will write 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2. Look here, the next example. What do we have here? I've got 2 equal groups. Each group has got 3 strawberries. Okay? Okay. So how many groups? I've got 2. The number of elements in each group? I've got 3. So I will write the addition sentence. From here I can see 3 is repeated 2 times. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. What does it equal? Equals 6. Okay. I need to make the multiply sentence. I can just drop off and make multiply. 2 times 3, it's 2 times 3. So, 3 is repeated means what? 3 is repeated 2 times. Okay? Equals 6. Okay? And the rest of exercise, you can solve it by your own. Okay? Let's see. The multiplication as a repeated addition. Okay. How many groups do we have? I've got 3 groups. Each group contains 5 flowers. You can use repeated addition to find the total. Okay. And simply we can use the multiply. Okay. How many groups do we have? I've got 3. I put the multiply sign. Okay, or multiplication symbol. Okay, or we can say times. Okay, 3 times 5. What does it equal? Equals in all, I've got 15. Each number means in math, the first number or the smaller number means a factor. Times, this is the multiply sign or the symbol. And then have 5, it's another factor, equals 15. 15 means what? The answer of multiply called product. So, I've got number small times another number small, give me number big. The two numbers small called factors. And the answer of multiply sentence called product. How do we say this sentence? 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay? So the multiplication tells us how many times we need to add a number to get the total. So here 5 is repeated 3 times. I say 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I can simply we use the multiply sign instead of use the addition sign. Okay? What is E? I can use it in one condition. I've got the same number repeated for the same number and I've got the same sign is plus. I've got repeated plus sign and repeated for the same number in order to use the multiply. Okay, let's see here. Here we have, how many groups do we have? I've got 4 groups. Each group contains what? Contains a 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. So, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 groups of 3. Each group contains 3. We can use different color. Okay. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus another 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay. I can use, look here, I've got the same number and repeated addition. Repeated plus sign. So, how many count? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 4 times 3. Okay? So, I've got the same answer, equals 12. Or can simply use cancel off and it's a keyword for multiply. 4 times 3. Okay, let's see the next. We can multiply in any order and we call it commutative property of multiplication in arrays. See here, I've got 2 rows. I've got 2 rows. 1, 2. How many elements in each? I've got 3. 3 elements in each one. 1, 2, 3. Or we can write the number of columns. Okay, how many columns do we have? I've got 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3. Or we can say 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Again, in this array, I change the order of the rows and columns. Okay, how many rows do we have? I've got 3. Each row contains 2 elements. 2 in each row. So how many? 2 plus 2 plus 2. What does it equal? Equals 6. Multiply, the multiply sign. How many 2 do we have? 3. Okay, by 2 or times 2. So the product will be 6. Do I have the same answer? Yes. When I say 2 times 3 equals 6. When I say 3 times 2 equals 6 also. Why? Because I can multiply in any order, or I can change places. Okay, this is called the commutative property. Okay, how we can use the multiplication sentence here in this array. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows? 4. I will write 4. Okay, of what? How many elements in each row or how many columns? He mentioned the rows first, so I will write what? I will write the number of columns or the elements in each row. I've got 3, so I will write 3. I need the multiply sentence. Just skip or cross off and we write 4 times 3. What does it equal? It's 12. Okay, let's see here. How many rows do we have? This is 1, 2, 3. He writes rows first, so I will write the number of rows. In the beginning, I've got 3. Look here. How many columns? I've got 4. Or how many elements in each row? I've got 4. Okay, so I need to write the multiplication sentence. Just cross off and we write times. This is 3 times 4. What does it equal? Equals 12. The total number of elements equals 12. What do we notice here? We notice that when I say 4 times 3 equals 12, and we change the places of 3 and 4, okay? I said 3 in the beginning, then 4 equals 12 as well. So I can write 3 times 4 equals 4 times 3. They are changing their places. Okay, so we have the commutative property. Look here. How does any array show multiplication? Okay, this array shows 3 rows of 4 cupcakes. Okay, I've got 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. How many in each row? I've got 4. Or how many columns? I've got 4. So if I write it by using the addition sentence, we can write 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Or we can write it using the multiplication sentence. Okay, let's count. How many 4 do we have? I've got 3. Then write 4. So 3 times 4, what does it equal? Equals 12. So the first number 3 called the number of rows, or the first factor. The number 4 called number in each row, or just write the number of columns. So equals what? The product or the total. Let's solve some exercises here. Complete. I've got 2 rows. He mentioned the rows first. Then what do we write? How many columns or how many elements in each row? I've got 3, so I will write 3. Okay. I need to know the addition sentence. Okay. We can repeat just the second number repeated. How many times? 2. So it's 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, I need to change this plus sign into a multiply sign. Okay, how many 3 do we have? I've got 2. What number is this? It's a 3. Why? Because 3 is repeated 2 times. Or just simply cancel off and we write multiply. 2 times 3 equals 6 as well. So how can we read this sentence? 2 times 3 equals to 6. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, I've got some eggs in an array, organized in an array. Okay, how many rows do we have? I've got 2 rows. Okay, I've got 2 rows. Excellent. So this is 2 rows of what? How many columns? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write 5. I need to write the the multiply sentence. This is off, means multiply. This is called 2 times 5. What does it equal? Equals 10. Okay? The 2 exercises here, you can do it by yourself. I've got some keywords here. I've got some story problem and we can solve it. Okay? We have word each means multiply. Okay? Or I can understand what's happening in this story. Okay? Just read. Ahmed has 2 packets of sweets each with 5 pieces of sweets. I've got the keyword of multiply. Okay, just we take these numbers and write it down. Okay, 2 times 5. 2 packets, okay, 2 groups of 5 elements, pieces. Okay, what does it equal? Let's work here. I can work 5 as a repeated addition. 5 is repeated 2 times. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or we can use it by using the groups. The first one number, the first group. Okay, 2 groups. Each group has got what? 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, each group has got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many in all? I've got 10. So the answer will be 10. Okay, let's see here. Rana saw 6 dogs in a garden. Okay, I've got 6 legs. How many legs do the 6 dogs have? You see here? How many legs in each dog have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs in each dog. So my multiply sentence, this is 6. I can write 6 times 4. 4 is repeated how many times? 6. So I can use, by using drawing as above here, I draw 6 groups, or I can use it with different method, or I can just repeat 4 6 times. Okay, let's hear 4. We can make it 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, we can simply take each 2 numbers together. 4 plus 4, it's 8. Another 4 plus 4, it's 8. 8 plus 8 equals to 16. 16 plus another 8. Let's here make a draft. 16 plus 8. 6 plus 8, what does it equal? Equals to 4. 14. 14. 1 plus 1. 2. So the answer will be 24. Or we can draw like this, 6 groups of 4 elements in each group. Okay, look here. I've got a jar of marble, holds 8 marbles. How many marbles are there in 4 jars? I've got what? How many jars? Jars of 8 marbles. Okay, let's draw. Okay, take 4 times 8. What does it equal? Okay, I've got 4. 8 is repeated 4 times. Okay, this is 1 jar, second jar, third, fourth. Okay, each one will hold 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see here. What does it equal? Equals, if we count them or just add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, it becomes 32. Okay, we have finished now. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Just send me in your comments and we'll answer you, inshallah. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.